Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to install Visual Studio Code. So for this, please open your Google Chrome, okay, and type Visual Studio Code. Okay, after that, open over here. Now here is different option for Mac, for Windows, for Linux. I'm going to download for Windows. Click over here and so after downloading VS Code user setup exe file, just double click on it because this is exe file. You can open it by double click on here. So now please click on I accept the agreement. Go next. So this file is located in this path. Okay, you can change it through browser. Now I'm going to next. Don't create a start menu folder. Unclick it. I'm going to create a desktop icon. Click next, install. Okay, now after some time it will be easily now VS Code is successfully installed on my PC. I'm going to finish it. Now I'm going to check it out whether there is desktop icon on my PC or not. Okay, so here is VS Code Studio. So by this way you can easily install VS Code. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.